Now, you're looking for a way to make your posters here for any occasions in Canva, and you're wondering how do you adapt or change or use certain designs here? Quite easy. Now, the thing with Canva here, it's really popular, or the platform itself, or Canva itself, is popular because you can use templates that you can easily update or change depending on what occasion or what you are planning to do, or what event you're planning here. Now, first things first is you want to go to canva.com, just log in into your account, or create your account if you haven't created yours. And once you've logged in, this is what you should be seeing. Now, let's go and just start creating our project or our design. Now, at the left side, you have a bunch of options. You have create, home, projects, templates, and a lot more. Let's go and click on the create button. Now, here in the create, what we need to do is you want to go and just basically search for what you are planning to do. Like, for example, if you're planning for a birthday poster, you could go and just add or just type in the keyword birthday here, and it's going to recommend you different options. So you have birthday invitation, birthday card here, birthday poster, and birthday Instagram post. Now, since we want to create a poster, let's go and choose birthday poster. Now, it's really important that you add or use the correct keyword here so that you can go ahead and just get the appropriate designs. Let's go and choose this one. Now, this should open up a new tab which should allow you to view your design. Now, in here, as you can see here, now this is just the actual poster. But what's important is you want to go to the left side here. And let's go ahead and choose the option for design. And it should give you different options or templates that you could use for this specific occasion. Now, there are a lot of designs to choose from. Now, the great thing about Canva here is they do provide free designs that you could use. But if you want to get more out of your Canva experience, you could also get the Pro plan here in order for you to use their more advanced designs. Now, in this case, just scroll down a bit here until you see the design that you want to use. So if you want to go and just basically use a free one, you can go and just use or click on one of them that doesn't have a crown at the bottom right. Let's go and just choose this one. Now, here, as you can see here now, this is our design. And this also includes different text here. So if you double click on text, you should be able to change a few things. Now, if you want to add their name, you can go and click on the text button that you see at the left side here. Now, if you want to add like certain elements, let's just say you want to add a flower, you could go to the element section and just type in flower and just press enter. Now, there are different options here. Let's go and choose graphics here. Click on see all. And you should see different designs. Now, let's go and choose this one. Maybe add this into our design by go ahead and just clicking on it. Now you can go and just resize this, position it in any way you want, and you can even adjust how it's going to be, or you could go and just adjust the transparency. And as you can see, we just added some certain elements here that we could use. Now, if you want to change the actual picture that is shown in here, you can go ahead and just go to your uploads, click on the upload file section, and just choose the photo that you want to add. Now, once you've done that, it's going to be uploaded into your Canva account. Now, once it's actually uploaded in here, you can go and just basically click on that photo. But before doing that, you need to make sure that you've selected the actual image here. And you want to go and just basically drag and drop it if you want to replace an existing image. Now, let's go and just replace this image here. As you can see, it's now going to be previewed. And we now have an updated photo in here, as you can see right now. Now, if you want to move elements in here, you could go and just press and hold on that element, move it around, as you can see right now, and do whatever you want. Now, the great thing about Canva here is, like what I said, is you can basically prepare for any occasion here by just choosing the correct keywords. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.